Hey guys, it's a special delivery from Minooy. How about that? Have you heard of Minooy bags? They're leather bags and they're wonderful. And we're going to see the one that I chose. Hey guys, welcome to my channel, Miss Jackie Russell. I'm so glad to have you here, and if you haven't subscribed, be sure and hit that subscribe button and the like, and you'll know my next video. But today we are going to review and look at a Minooy bag. They are wonderful, and I want to thank No from Minooy for sending this over to me free for review. I so appreciate it, and he let me pick it out, and he sent a code for you to save $20 on your purchase, MJR20. So be sure and use that code if you're in the market. This is going to make a great Christmas present for somebody and or anybody that might be traveling for the holidays, because we've got Thanksgiving coming up as well as Christmas. We also, of course, have just regular going to the flea market, going to the grocery store, and you want to have a bag that does everything. And this is the way it's packaged, and it says crafted in passion, created with purpose. And we're going to find out more about Minooy in just a moment. And I do want to show you this bag. This is how it's packed. We have a dust cover and we have a thank you note. And like I said, their slogan is crafted in passion, created with purpose. What we're going to see about it is that it's all about a full grain leather is regarded as the highest quality leather, which is why we choose it for the production of our bags, being the strongest outermost layer of the hide to be used and keeping the grain in its entirety rather than being sanded away to look more uniform. So it's a full grain leather, lasts much longer as it ages. It develops patina, which is the change in color over time. This change occurs faster on untreated pieces and is considered to be highly desirable characteristic of leather. On the smooth, unaltered surface, you can see the pores and the small hair follicles if you use a magnifying glass. Well, I don't have one of those, but I don't doubt it. I've heard good things about this purse or this bag, travel bag, which indicates that the leather is of high quality. Other characteristics to take note of are fat wrinkles or growth lines that are natural variations in the grain, texture, and shading. Every hide is unique as it comes from a different animal with different markings and blemishes. So when looking at or working with full grain leather, you'll soon realize there are no two hides that are exactly alike. And then they give us daily simple care precautions. So you'll get all that in your box. And then we've got our dust cover here with Minooy. And I would say this is like a velvety, silky kind of bag. It's really nice. And on the inside, we're going to find out which color I chose. I'm making sure that's all that's in there. And I chose this color. It's a little bit, I'd say, of a neutral. I decided to try something different than what I usually do use. And of course, you've got your strap here for your crossbody to throw it over. It's got many different pockets. So when you open this up, this is protected. So you kind of have a double protection if you're keeping cards like your credit cards, and it has the RFID protection of your credit cards. And as you can see, look how many credit cards you can put in there. You can slip your passport in here and all kinds of things. And then you have an expanded pocket right there, as well as a zipper pocket. Now I'm going to come back and I'm going to show you what I filled my purse up with. So we'll have a little example one. This is a good feature. It's going to be really hard for someone to steal your ID and or your credit cards with this design. And it's got gold hardware. You snap that back down, and then on the inside here we have several more pockets that you can use. We even have pen holder. Can you see that? Pen holder pocket there, and then pockets for eyeglasses. It's really, really nice. You got lots of room in here. And then you have a slip pocket on the end. And of course this zips up, and it also has another zipper pocket on the inside. So guys, this is really, really nice. It's so soft and flexible. And you can see the leather grain on there. This is an excellent bag. Of course, it has their name on there. So this is an original. It's not a knockoff. And I don't remember which one this is called, but I wanted to tell you a little bit about them. It was founded to create a simple and sustainable bag that are convenient and easy to use, with focusing on making daily casual life or travel more comfortable. We have created a line of beautiful, convenient bags with the exceptional quality, yet at a fair market price. We cherish quality, and guys, this is super good quality. It is stitched well, as you can see. You've got strong snaps so that when you snap it back down, it snapped good. You can tell everywhere around this bag. It is just excellent. So yeah, it's got a great purpose, and they provide you with the color and the choice. So you can pick your choice, and I picked this color. Now I'm going to run some of these choices across there so that you can see that you can have a variety of choices. They have lots of colors, and the color I picked is called Trench. And this bag is $169. It's on sale right now from $212, and it comes in all kinds of color: cognac, black, red, green, kind of like a burgundy color, green. It comes in dark blue, it comes in a white, and it comes in a brown. So you can get all kinds of colors. And like I said, it's $169, and it's called the Athena Unique Design Mini Crossbody Bag Wallet, because you have it all in one. So I'm so excited to bring this to you guys, and I really love this bag, and I'm going to show pictures what they show, and that way you can get even a better look. Like I said, I'm going to come back and I'm going to show you what I've put in my bag and how much it can hold. Okay, I'm back, and I've got it filled up, and I can wear this either over, or I can toss it behind me. I can adjust this to be even longer down if I want to, and it's got the adjustment strap right here. I've got everything out of my purse, what I would use in this bag if I was traveling or if I was just running to town. And it's not too heavy, it feels light. The only heavy thing in here is my stuff, and I'm going to show you how I packed it up. Now, for my phone, it just drops right down in the slip pocket on the side, and it's just perfect, and you'll always be able to reach up and grab your, or reach down and grab your phone quickly. So I like that feature. And then on the inside here, I have a couple of different things that I've done. I've got an inside pouch here. I've put my eye drops, my asthma medicine, a pill box, and I also put a couple of lippies. They're like glosses here. They fit perfectly there. And then in the little zipper pocket on this one, I always carry extra cash kind of hidden in another compartment. So I've got my cash and a couple of extra, cards there. They're not really cards, they're more like ID cards. Like one of them's my Medicare card, and one is my insurance for my car, so that I have that in my bag and easy to get to. And then when you unzip this, you can unzip it all the way down, and you can see I have placed my credit cards in there in those little slots. I use a little coin purse, so I use my little Hello Kitty coin purse, and I just drop that down in there. But I also had a place for cash. Let's see if I can show you. For cash that's easy to grab and get a hold of, and I like that because if you're checking out You want to just be able to reach in and get it real quick. You don't want to have to be fumbling around with it. You know, you want to know where it is and have it easy to get, especially if you're like traveling and you're checking out and you're waiting on your airplane or whatever, and you're going through one of their little kiosks. It's just a quick way to grab cash, and that way too they don't, you know, the reason I use cash in another area is because they don't know all your cash. And that's another thing I do for protection. And then I've got 2 passports in here because if we're traveling, my husband and I both are traveling, and I always carry his passport with me. Now, I would have room to put like ticket things or anything I would need to do at the airport. So as you can see, filled up real nice. And then like I said, I even have a lipstick in here, and I think I forgot to show that to you. But this would be my basic stuff that I could get to real quickly and just unsnap it. Now in here, I have put 2 pairs of glasses. I've got my keys on the cord so they're not going to get lost. I have my sunshades. Maybe I need to turn it this way so you can see where they are. And I have 2 pens there. And I also carry my husband's a dose of medicine for him because he has to have it on a timely fashion. And I also have my Fenty lippy in here. And I have a little plumper that's about empty. I think I bought a new one. It's the Too Faced lip injection that I have in there. And I have my 2 pens, which those are pens that I use, of course, to write with. And I just didn't know what to put in all the compartments. I didn't have anything to put in this zipper pocket right now because I've got everything out of my purse except, and I will admit to y'all, I have like more lippies, another oh, forgot to put my mascara in there. That could be important, so I'll put that in this slip pocket over here. So, but I do try to keep all my makeup in one area so I can get to it. But anyway, I usually do keep a mascara. So I have that in there. But I mean, basically, that's what I would have in my bag. And I might have some more lippies in there. I'm terrible, guys. I carry all kinds of lippies with me. And I could add a couple more things. And you just flip this around and drop your keys back down in there for safekeeping. I guess you could have them out, but I would probably have them down in there like that. And they're easy to find, so if you're looking for your keys, you can get right to them, and I like that feature. So, and I like that I can pull in and get my reader's glasses out, which I don't use very often, but real fine print, I would need to use that maybe. My husband would use them for sure. And then I also have sunshades in here that's easy to grab and go. And I could switch that out and have 2 pairs of sunshades, whatever. I mean, you could do either one, but it all fits in there all nice and compact. And then, like I said, you can easily zip it up and you're all set to go, and you got everything you need in one bag, and you got that RFID protection over here. And I don't even know if I'm saying that right, but you know what I'm talking about. They can't scan your credit cards and steal your information. But like I said, you can easily put your phone just right down here on this side here, and you're off and running, and it's easy to get your phone out. You know, if it rings, or if you're standing in line and you just need to do something real quick, you can look at your phone and easily put it back in there. If you have it around this direction and you're checking out somewhere, you can easily have this, you know, easily get to, like my medicine or my lipstick. And if you needed to get in your wallet part, it's easy to get into, and you can be looking in there and it's facing you. It's not facing anybody else. When you look in there, your credit cards are facing you. And that's another nice feature that I like. And then, of course, if I just need my change, it's right there. This is a great little bag. I'm glad I got it. This is a perfect travel bag, flea market bag, going to town bag, just anything. And the durability of it with the leather is just going to be wonderful through the years. So I love it. Thank you so much. And again, my bag is the Athena bag, and it's the Athena Unique Design Mini Crossbody Bag Wallet, $169. And don't forget, you can save $20 off your bag with MJR20. So I'll have a link down below. You can go look at all the purses that they have to see what's right for you. They even have smaller ones than this if you like an even smaller bag, and they have bigger ones if you like to carry a little bit bigger, and multiple colors of leather. So let me know, guys, what do you think about the Minooy bag? Is it something that you would like to have? I'm really impressed. So yes, very nice. But that's all I have today for the Minooy bag. Be sure and check my description for any giveaways that are currently going on. And if you're part of my Jubilee gifting, use a blue heart and or a red rose in your comment, and you will be entered into my weekly gifting. But as for today and the Minooy bag, that's all I have. And as usual, I wish you all a blessed and happy day. Bye-bye.